and today I will show you how to make the ketchup shrimp. Yeah, it's a traditional dish that many Chinese families make as a dish at home on a regular basis. But for some reason, and my family in particular, only make that dish during holidays for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I learned the recipe from my mom, so now I can make it anytime I like. So, also, last week's recipe, what I started doing was having a short lesson in Chinese just on the food that we make. So I thought that the foodie fans who don't speak Chinese might like to learn a word or two. And so it's really quick. So today, ketchup shrimp, right? So ketchup shrimp is 2 words. In Chinese, it's 2 words, but it's actually 3 syllables. I'm sorry, 3 characters, so it's 3 syllables too, right? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so you want to say shrimp? Ha. Shrimp? Ha. Okay, ketchup. Quite similar to the word ketchup itself is ketchup. Ketchup. So you put it together. Ketchup. Ha. Ketchup. Ha. Ketchup shrimp. Ketchup. Ha. There you have it. Quite simple, right? Last week's lesson. Do you remember what it was? Pork chops. Do you remember how to say that? How do you say pork or pig? Chi. Chi. Chops. Pa. Pa. Put it together. Ji pa. So ji pa is pork chop. How about ketchup shrimp? Ketchup ha. There you have it. Our short lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it. So now we can go ahead and get cooking.